If you're watching this, it means I'm dead. And it's because of one of these three men. But why I'm dead isn't important. Tracy Grimshaw will get to the bottom of that. The important thing is, I am dead. You have to come to terms with that. And I have to leave behind a video. I thought it should be my tricks for how to edit video. Now I've been editing Split the Party videos for quite some time now. Right now I'm editing chapter 4. But you know, people always ask me, what makes a great editor? Alright, here we are at the battle station. Now, this whole first day of filming, I'm not in any of it, as you can see. Nowhere to be seen. So what we're going to do first of all is just highlight everything here. And we're just gonna, you want to hit that button there. There we go. Alright, day 2, looking good, looking very good, looking fresh. So this shot is a lot better already. This is great. You can see I got my signature stance here, my elbows on the table, commanding authority from the room. This shot's great. It's fantastic. Nothing short of incredible. However, we can make this better. I'm going to show you how with a little trick I like to call editing. There we go. Look at that. Now you can play that. Look at that. This is what they don't teach you in film school. Now we've got this shot here, which is good, but it's going on a little too long. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna cut to a reaction shot here. There we go, look at that. Isn't that amazing? Now this part's getting a little boring. It's dragging on a little too long, so I'm just gonna throw some stuff up there to kind of spice it up a little. Take a look.
You clasp like the top half of Vadek's lifeless body. Vadek, this one's for real. I need you to leave the table.
Sometimes I'll throw up a video of a woman screaming, just in case someone's fallen asleep while watching it.
Who goes there?
Asla.
Jorvik?
Oh, I.
Jorvik.
It's like, come on, wake up, buddy. Let's go, come on. If your client doesn't like any of your choices, you have the legal right to perform a citizen's arrest on them. Right, let's pause the video here for a Garfield interlude.
You just need a little guidance, that's all. Where's the flour? Who's got it?
Okay, I think we've earned ourselves a break. So you can go grab something to eat, send an anthrax letter, or do what I do. Join a 2 minutes hate Zoom call. Now, you've got this video here and you want to cut it up. So your most important tool as the editor is your cut tool. No. Oh fuck! Shit! Fuck! Alright, now if you followed all my instructions carefully, your video might look something like this.